Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to resize image in Davinci Resolve 18. So to do this, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is drag the image into your timeline right here. So there you go. So from there, all we have to do is go to our inspector in the top right corner of our screen. To resize this, just go to transform and change it there. So here you have your zoom with x-axis and y-axis. So you can unlink them and link them if you want to. If you want them to just go to scale together, you can do so. But you can also unlink them with this chain right here. And then you can only adjust your x-axis individually. So let's fit it into frame. And your y-axis individually too. So you can do a cinematic shot right here, for example, like that. And it depends on your frame. So it's just that simple to just resize your image here in Davinci Resolve 18. So basically, if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.